You see that cloud?
Oh, you're having too much fun, bro. You're gonna break it.
For America.
You got it, bro. For America.
Yes, I got 3. I can do this. Oh, there's 2 more left. Okay, you know, since there's 2, I need 2 balls. Because 2 balls is always better than 1. I promise. 2 balls. I could.
Just do it. How are you enjoying Dallas so far?
So far, so good.
All right, just eyes on the road. Rusik,
What's up?
how are you enjoying Dallas so far? Are you tired?
Yeah, I'm very tired. I drove for 7 hours.
The chicken bites, but just the chicken bites.
And the fajita.
So 1 chicken pita taco, 1 bacon and cheese Whataburger Jr., and 1 what? Yeah. All right, thank you.
Why is my butt on fire? Why do you keep turning on my butt warmer?
I want you guys to let Mike know. What did you do for Valentine's Day? Were you single like us and lonely? Or
I wasn't alone.
well, we're not lonely. Yeah.
Well, on the bright side,
I got Jesus.
we saved a lot of money. Bro, our food's like really cold right
It's
now.
like 3 a.m. in the morning.
And we're trying to find the house that we're supposed to be spending the
Why
money
is there like 2 11:05s? Okay, go back.
I think you should take a left here.
Okay, it's a decent home.
Real estate talk.
Oh, go back. I see it. It's
Hey, bro, I think you should go door knock and see if they want to sell. Take a right.
Well, yeah, right's the way. Tomorrow, we will see you at the reunion of the family. Yeah, that's right.
We are here at this huge business conference. Rusik will be our main speaker today.
That's right.
Please welcome to the stage your CEO, Gary Keller, and your president, Josh Team.
Good afternoon.
Got done gambling. We blew all of our money. Next up, Top Golf. Right?
We got Mike over here. You ready, man?
All right. Yeah.
Believe you missed. You missed. Oh! trying to hit the car. You're missing, man.
Warm up. All right. I almost smacked my camera.
Wait, what do I press?
You never golfed before? Dude, you didn't even hit the ball. So this is Topgolf. You get a small red, a medium yellow, and a large green over there. And then it just gets harder. There's a black, white, and a blue.
Dive room, fama f***a.
Sharing is not caring tonight.
Eat time.
Screw the food. Let's just listen to you play drums.
Jeremy. How do you turn it on? Yeah, can you just turn this on?
Speaking of Jeremy.
Hello! What are we looking at, boys?
We're fixing the toilet.
Who clogged it?
Nobody clogged it.
Saudi.
The handle wasn't working properly.
You're so right about the sword fighting. Like,
I lost! Like, what did she